What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. I was in Walmart and I was in the clipper section, and I said, you know what? I've been seeing ads on Facebook and Instagram about the Freebird cutter and that other cutter that has the pit bull on it and stuff like that. So I have one of those on order, but I saw this one in Walmart. I think this was like $50 or something like that. It says bald buddy. As you know, I'm a bald guy, and it says the cut buddy right here, and of course it's unisex. It does your head, your legs, your arms, and it says chest, back. All right, so that's it with that, and let's get into it, because I am tired of shaving. Alright, so I did open it, but I did not use it. I took the plastic off of this and put it back just to get the plastic off. So here we go. We have the shaver right here. Oh, and another plus on it, it says wet and dry shaver. Once again, wet and dry shaver. So hopefully we can even use this in the shower. Should be waterproof. Just turned it on. Alright. There goes a charger port right here, but it's not really waterproof because you can't cover the charger port. You know, if something waterproof, it has like the flap right there. Like, you know, my clipper here is waterproof, and I could use this in the shower, but I don't want to put no water in here because the electric. Anyways, we'll get to that later. Of course, you know, this is the charger wire. We have USB port. Charge it up. And it's an indicator right there, and it says right there it's fully charged. It got all 5 bars. Yeah, it has all 5 bars filled up. Let me take it off real quick. Hit power. All right, look like it's fully charged. I'll find that out after I find out where the instructions at. Multiple rotary blades, 75 minutes cordless shaving, USB charger, easy to clean. Alright. Shaver can be operated wet or dry. Okay. Well, it's promoting it could be wet or dry, so maybe you can get water inside the charger port. I don't know. Alright, so they give you free shaving cream. Let's see how it smells. Smells just like tea. Let's see. Ah, here we go. Instructions. Alright, you guys, y'all. Alright. It says when the battery is fully charged, both lightning and battery indicators are on. So this is flashing, which means it's from 50 to 100%. So we are going to wait until it gets to its 100%. But it says do not use on eyebrows. Okay, of course. Do not assemble unit. Do not do not disassemble unit. This will help to avoid breaking seals and allowing moisture to enter the shaver. It says use this shaver only for the purpose described in this manual. And it says do not use unit in the bathtub, shower, or pool. The waterproofing is suitable only for rinsing and cleaning of the unit. Yeah, we have a little issue. Alright, you can't advertise. They are advertising. Alright, you guys, so the rest of the warnings are something that is blah 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 stuff. Alright, you guys, so here's the tricky part. All right, it says shaver can be operated wet or dry, but it tells you don't use it in the shower. It's just saying that only use water when cleaning it. All right, so anyways, I don't shave in the water. Kind of nervous about that anyway, but okay, you guys, I'm coming. Okay, you guys, I'm coming down to the final review. I actually ran upstairs just to grab this real quick because I actually was going to do a review. So anyways, we are coming down to the final review of this thing. And I want to say, before you use this thing, make sure that you have short hair. I let my hair get a little bit too long and this thing was grabbing the hair like crazy. But I was doing this wet and dry, you guys. For me, it was better wet for me because, Lord, when I was doing this dry, I was ready to cry. Okay, but there goes the final results. I do have another one on order. I think it's the Freebird. The Freebird, the skull shaver one, I'm gonna wait. It's a little bit more, but the Freebird I think is $69. So, and plus, y'all know I like birds, right? I like pit bulls too. The skull shaver, that's what they call it. The skull shaver one is have a little pit bull symbol on it. It looks pretty cool. But I am going with the Freebird one first. And from the commercial that they had, the guy was actually in the water shower and doing his thing like that in the shower, and that would be perfect for me. Okay, you guys, so if you want to clean this, you lift this up, pull out, and I already cleaned it already, but there will be hair here. There will be hair inside of here, hair inside of here. And then what you do is run it through water, clean the hair out. Got a little lip right here. You put it in like that and slide in, and it should snap right on in. And that's about it. That's how you clean the thing out. You could do that with all of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the fifth one you could take off from once you get all these off, you could take this one off. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, please drop it in the description box. I'll try to reach back out with y'all on this, but this is pretty good. I did not use it on my face. I just don't use nothing like this on my face. I usually use the trimmer and stuff like that, but it says you could use it on your legs. So if you want to use it on your legs, you know, there you go. All right, you guys, like, comment, and subscribe.